Well, what's up, guys? Are you recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yeah, that's right. Blue Collar Freedoms here at Knob Creek, West Point, Kentucky. One of the last and final machine gun shoots. The owner is calling it quits, so the last one. This place is absolutely swamped. I mean, there has got to be 10,000 people here. It's crazy. I've never seen it like this.
Pretty much.
I can imagine there's not a Biden supporter here. We'll turn it over to the people who really run the show.
Here, I'll take that. So like Chad said, we're actually here in Knob Creek, and I don't know what kind of mischief we're going to get into. We're fixing to pay. We've been waiting in line for a long time. Took us probably 45 minutes to find a place to park, but we're here now, fixing to get inside, and the main attraction is the machine gun shoot. It's going on tonight, so hopefully we get some good footage of that. We don't even know if we're allowed to take this camera in, so I think that's phone recording. That's the first hurdle we got to get past, so stay tuned.
It's TSA.
Anything you want to say?
TSA up in here watching us. Are you packing?
What?
Are you packing?
No, I left it in the glove box.
All right. Thank you, Don.
Thank you.
You want to say hi to the camera?
Say hi to the camera. Have a great day.
Hey, thank you.
Hey, let's go. So what gun are
So we finally made it in. You have got to see the tarnage on this car over here. So you guys will obviously see this tonight at the night fire that Garrett was talking about earlier. But so to give you some context, they will put cars and barrels and anything of such sort downrange and fill them with gas, tannerite, basically anything that'll explode. So check these out.
Oh, door still works. Fake plug, big hash. Let me stick these in my pocket. That's awesome.
Just look at the carnage. I mean, look at all the bullet holes.
Wow, look at this Audi. Used to be a nice rig. Huh.
Anybody's looking for an Audi, I'm sure they're making great deals today. Nate, this is what you need. This will get you home. A couple of these, you'll be set.
Today only, it's on sale. You can save $5,000 and take this fine piece home with you.
It's like, what did that go on?
Dude.
20 grand.
It's like, how do you end up
20 grand.
It's like, how do you end up with this? Like, that's the best part about America. You end up with stuff like this.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so now you get this. Where do you buy the ammo?
cold, the heat, the rain, the snow, the ice, all these things that we had through the years that keeps people coming back, encourages these shooters. So thank you all for being here. On a real serious note, personal note, I want to dedicate this very last round to he was a member of this range. His father is still out here helping us tonight. His dad's still down here. Mikey Sherlock passed away in June of 20. Some of you may have known him.
Harry,
but this
John,
is dedicated to Mikey.
Party in the range house. Harry, John.
All right, everyone, let's get your
Range house.
weapons up to the firing line. Your weapons up to the firing line. You got something you're going to shoot? Let's get it up there. Let's get your belts, your ammo cans, whatever. Let's get it up there. Protection on. If you are operating a drone, it needs to come down now. Anybody can see who's operating that drone, you need to point them out to security. That drone needs to come down now.
Where is it?
Weapons. All right, fire line security. Show me that green board in your area. When your area is ready, show me that green board. No itchy trigger fingers. When the lights go out, that's when you go. Show me that green board. Weapons are clear. When your area
Heads up,
is
incoming.
clear, light
What do you
me up the
think?
green board. Light me up the green board in your area. Safe shoot. It's been a wonderful last shoot. Thank you to the Sumner family and all the members of Knob Creek and the workers for 50 years of dedication and support for the Second Amendment. This is what America's all about. What you've witnessed tonight, the brotherhood, sisterhood that you see, this is what it's all about. It's what it comes down to. Thank you all.
Well, we just got done here at Knob Creek. It was the last shoot, machine gun shoot ever. Yeah, I mean, it's been going on for 50 years, right? 50 years. And we just got to witness the last one. It was awesome. We got to see a cannon. It was an awesome experience. Worth the drive, worth the time to come here. Shame that they're not going to keep it up, but it's the world we live in. Getting tougher to
A little bit higher.
for liability reasons, I guess.
Some people that want in.
What's up? You
What's
want
up,
in?
guys?
What's up?
So what do you guys think about the last one?
It's sad.
It's sad.
I don't
It
want
is
it to
sad.
end.
It is sad.
Pretty good though.
How about you?
Same.
Same.
We were talking to one of those guys, and he said that it's not as good as it used to be. I was like, really? It's better?
Well, my dad back there, he came one year and they actually used the helicopter.
Oh,
They
really?
had
No
guns on the
way.
helicopter,
Oh
and
my
it came
God.
down and it shot out of the helicopter.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Right into the back of the Crown Vic. It's a good time. I'm glad we went, and I had a blast. I think everyone else had a blast too. But yeah, until next time.
There you go.
Probably be sitting in traffic for probably a couple hours.
Don't worry. We'll get home in time
Yeah.
to get out to the blind.
We're gonna get in the blind like we did this morning, but with no sleep instead of 2 hours of sleep.
Yeah, man.
Got to stay on the grind. Got to get that buck.